Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we're going to unbox the Tech-Com 2.5 SATA casing. So this is basically a external hard drive casing. So this is a problem that a lot of people have been talking about. They don't know what to do with their old laptops. So there are a lot of people who have upgraded to a newer laptop, or maybe upgraded the internal laptop, internal hard drive to a higher version, and they don't know what to do with the older laptop. Sorry, or the older hard disk. So what you can do is you can just buy one of these cases. So I own a few of them, but this is a unique one. This one I really liked because this gives me what I want. I'll tell you about that later on. I have a few of them, so let me just show you something like this. So this is a metal one. Now these are okay, but then they really move, they creak a lot. So most of the companies that I've tried, these kind of the below 3.0 ones, they are actually not that great at speed, and the connectivity problem is too much. They require a lot of power. So that's why you have these two cables. So ideally it works with one, but if it doesn't get enough power, then you have to connect the other one also. So use one hard disk, you may have to use two of your USB ports, so which is ridiculous according to me. So that's why I was looking for an alternative which actually works better with high speed. So this actually has USB 3.0. So the transfer speed is very high. So on USB 2.0 you get 480 Mbps, and with USB 3.0 you get 5 Gbps. So it's a huge difference. The second thing which I liked about this is plastic. This is not metal. So metal has one more problem, that it gives earthing, so you get shocked with it a lot. So this is plastic, very light. And let me just show you the best thing. It uses your regular 3.0 cable, so just one cable and everything is sorted. So that's it. That's all that you have to do. Just plug this in and start using it. Now the third good thing which I like about this is there are no screws anywhere. So you do not have to screw this in or do all those things. It has two clamps over here, so you just have to push this out. It's not easy to push it out though. You'll have to put a little bit of force. It didn't break, that's how it opens. And then just pull it out a little and then lift it up. I haven't pulled it out. Yes, pull it out a little and then lift it up. That's it. Now that's where you put in the hard drive. So let me just show you that too. So all you need is a hard drive which is 2.5 size. There are two sizes, 2.5 and 3.5. 3.5 are for the desktop ones, these are for the laptop ones. So any one of them will do. Doesn't matter what's the size, you will find thinner ones, you'll find thicker ones according to capacity. All you have to do is take this and slide it in over here. That's it. And then close this and then close it. Done. It's that easy. So that's why I like it, because I have a few hard disks, so I keep swapping them. So this makes it easy for me to just push it out, take the hard drive out, put another one and then go on. This I have to open up the screws, then remove the entire thing, and then make sure that the metal surface does not touch the bottom of the hard drive where the circuit is exposed. If not, that will short the hard drive and your hard drive is gone. So that's why I prefer this one. And other thing is, this is a high speed casing. So now this goes it works. Let me just show you that too. Okay, so it goes up to 5 Gbps. So and it is backward compatible. So in case you have a computer which is pretty old, like Windows XP or something, it will still work on them. USB 2.0 is supported. It does work with older devices too. Now I have also tested, let me just show you that too. I've tested it with phones. Okay, I need a phone. Okay, I'll take this one. Okay, so I'll just connect a USB dongle and then connect this. Now you see that? That's the light that you'll have. You won't have those flashy big lights. Small LED which is inside. And the best part, okay, I'll have to format it, that's a different thing. Now I had formatted this for Mac, so it's got the Mac OS. the Mac partition, so that's why it's not recognizing it, but it'll format it. So this can be detected by any phone also. Even a phone is powerful enough to use the hard drive. So these hard drives will not work with the phone because of the huge power requirement, but these hard drives would work. Done. And that's it. So now I have my hard drive working with my phone. Okay, so let's take a look at the build quality now. Now the build quality on this is excellent. The plastic is not flimsy, it's very thick. So it will give you some shock protection. So when the hard drive falls, it will protect it a little bit. But since there is no rubber inside it, so it will not give you the kind of shock protection that you get with regular Western Digital or Seagate and all these kind of hard drives, because they have small rubber protection on the corners, so they give some bounce back. So this will not give you that. But ideally, if you're dropping a hard drive, then can't really say much about that. Any hard drive, dropping it will give it some or other problems. So build quality wise, excellent. I've actually tested the speed and it works fine, but I'll be doing a speed test and then showing it to you. The LED, you have a single LED which is small over here, so you do not have I actually have big problems with these LEDs, the ones which are like this. This is so bright that in the night when I'm using it, my computer doesn't have that much of light as much as this hard drive has. So it's illuminating almost half of my room, whichever side it's looking at. So I don't like that. This one I really like the light. It's very small, discreet, doesn't really, it's not in your face kind of light. And everything, and especially this cable. If you have a single cable like this, that is very good. You can actually use it on one port instead of using two ports. And in case this cable goes bad, you can just use your regular Seagate, Western Digital or any cable, because all of them are the same. Excellent hard drive. Speed is very good. Right now I've just started using it, so I don't know how long it'll be, how long the speed is going to remain, or how long it's going to work fine, but I'll tell you about that later on. Once I test it properly, I'll be doing a speed test later on to check if it actually gives you that kind of speed. But for that you need a port which has 3.0 support. If you do not have a 3.0 port, now if you want to recognize which is a 3.0 one, the 3.0 port will have a blue color inside it. The other ones will have your regular white or black or whatever. Let me just see if I have one of those devices. Okay, it'll be something like this. This is a 3.0 port. So this actually gives high speed data transfer. So if you don't have a port like this and you have a device which is high speed, 3.0 will not work. It will go to the slower speed. So if you want high speed, don't buy this thinking that it will give you high speed. First check your laptop if that has a 3.0 port or not. This is pretty cheap. So I got it for 500 rupees near the China market. There's another computer lane also in Pune. So I got it from there. The MRP on this says 700 and something. Let me just see. So it's 779 rupees, but I got it for 500. I'll be buying a few more of these because I really like the performance of this. Because I have a few laptops which are not working, but I have the hard disk in them, and if you're a YouTuber, you really know how much of space you need. So my hard drives are all getting full, so I need more hard drives. So why to spend more on hard drives when I can just use my old laptop hard drives and just use these kind of cases and then put my data into that. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.